I've had lots of failures in my life, but of course, when I take a step back and look at it from a bigger scheme of things, I don't think my failures have been a matter of life and death, because sometimes I think perspective is important. When you're in that failure, you think it's the end of the world. Of course, for some people, it's real, it's death related, disease and things like that. Those are real. But, most of the time, like in the business world, our failures are not a matter of life and death. I think the attitude part is very important, because what I found is like during good times, attitude will not give you an edge or an advantage, because everyone has a good attitude, right, during good times. But it's actually during adversity and failures, I think, your character, it builds your character, and your attitude really makes a difference.